Today we're going to talk about doing a kitchen purge. Join me. Okay, I'm not sure about you, but my kitchen is like the heart of my home. We come here to cook, to clean, to talk, to laugh, to have a great time, to just hang out with one another. However, your kitchen should be more than just a gathering space. It should also be well organized, thought out, and planned so that way it meets your everyday needs. Now, don't go pulling stuff out of your cabinets just yet. First, we need a plan of attack. Here are the questions you need to ask yourself during this kitchen purge. First, what do you need to organize? Don't just go taking everything out of your cabinets and drawers. Decide which cabinets and drawers really need your attention. How many kitchen cabinets and drawers and storage spaces do you really have to work with? We don't want to set stuff out on our counters because it can make our kitchen look cluttered. We need to find a space that's put away for all of the items if we possibly can. Having things out on the counter can make your kitchen look very cluttered. Can you get rid of small gadgets or appliances that you no longer use? I mean, I have a food processor and a dehydrator, and let's be honest, how often do I use them? Hardly ever. If you have things like this in your kitchen that you really don't have room for, now is the time to purge them. Do you have too many dishes? Having 12 to 18 plates is not going to be beneficial for your family of 4. Paring down your plate set and your bowl set and your dish set to just the amount that you need. I would say if you have a family of 4, I would have no more than 6 plates and 6 bowls. This means that you do your dishes every night to make sure your family has something to eat on the next day. Your dishes do not have the opportunity to sit in your sink or sit in your dishwasher without being washed because you need them. So now that you've asked yourself those 4 questions, get out pen and paper, create your plan of attack, and start your kitchen purge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organizational and cleaning videos. Share this video with all your friends on social media and be sure to give me a thumbs up. All right, I will see you tomorrow.